Hello, this is Brian Cox. I'm going to be talking about setting up your Garmin-800 for easy viewing. The question is, have you ever been trying to follow a route on a Garmin and trying to read the little print and trying to figure out where the next turn is? Hopefully this little discussion will help you here. Go over to garmin.coxintl.com. Once you're over at the site, click on Setting Directions for Easy Viewing. And basically, when you're following a route, sometimes it's difficult to figure out when the next turn's going to be occurring, or even which way it's going to be. Often you're squinting to find the little map or whatever. But if you set up your Garmin right, it's actually kind of easy to do it. The letters get pretty big and stuff. And so part of what you need to do is set up one of their pages with a data field, a minimum amount of data fields, which will make the letters larger. And you can go over to the owner's manual, find out a little bit more on how to set up the different pages and set up the different data fields. And if you want to take a look at this video again, you just click here on this video and you'll see the video again. But basically this is the setting I have, one of their little pages. And as you can see, this is matter of fact, this is just about the size of the Garmin as you're riding along. And so if you reduce the number of data fields being displayed, the letters get larger. And so all I'm displaying on this is the distance to the next turn, and what I'm assuming is that you've got a route going, you've got turn-by-turn instructions going. So you have the distance to the next turn. I also have the distance to the destination, the end of the ride, time of day, grade you're on, and temperature. And so as you're traveling along, you're 0.13 miles away from the turn, and just about 30 seconds before the turn, this screen will turn into the diagram. And what you can see in the diagram, and this pops up and is pretty easy to read, you can see that you're going to be turning ahead to the left. Over here is the time until that point in seconds, as well as this is the distance to the point. Okay, and then as you progress, you can start seeing the little bike come along here, your little indicator for the bike. And again, the time is decremented down as well as the distance to the point. When you're at the point, you've got just a second to be there. You're going to turn in 19 feet, and then you actually complete the turn, and you can see that the bike is now going in the other direction. And after you've completed the turn, this pops up, and again it tells you the distance to the next turn. So if you set this up this way, this makes it really easy that as you're riding along, you can navigate your way pretty easily without having to squint and have to page back and forth for different things. I hope you find that this little discussion helpful. I've set up this site, Garmin.coxintl, to help learn a little bit more about the Garmin. And so if you want to spend some time going through these different things, I've got other topics. And I've now been using this Garmin for about 9 months or so, and I'm always finding neat new things about it. This is a powerful machine, and I hope that you enjoy this video.